Good morning. So the honey bunnies and I are making, what are we making, girls?
Pancakes.
Homemade pancakes. Okay. So, and Ariella, why are we making homemade pancakes?
Because, like, from the store, they put xanthan in them.
Yep. What else?
They put corn syrup.
Yes.
They put vegetable oil in the pancakes you're buying from the store. And the reason why we're making them from homemade is because it has more nutrition and it's better and it's healthier than the store.
Yes. Now, right now we're getting eggs. Why are we getting eggs?
Because it makes it have nutrition.
What kind of nutrition?
Fat and protein.
Fat and protein. Yep. Yep. So, all right. How many eggs have we had, honey bunnies?
I did 5. I did 3.
3. Okay. Why don't we each do one more?
Okay.
So, and then Gianna, we're going to grind our own grain. So why do we grind our own flour?
Because if we get our flour from the store, like Ariella said, it has all of these clown food ingredients.
Clown food ingredients like pesticides and
Doof.
Yes, Josh gave us the word doof. All right. And then if you grind the wheat berries fresh, what do you get?
You get good flour.
Good flour.
But if you just get the flour if you just have the flour already made, then, and if you keep it for a while, it just starts to get old and it loses nutrition.
It does. It does. Okay. All righty. So, how about we combine those eggs into this one? That way we'll have one carton. All right. So we have here. All right. And Gianna, would you get a cup of milk and put in there? So we get a measuring cup out and put a cup of milk in there. How big is that one?
1/2 cup.
So 1/2. Okay. All righty. We're going to keep making some pancakes. Yes, honey bunny?
There are eggs that don't feel this one.
Right. It's okay. Say bye, ladies.
Bye, bye.